Anyways, so Uncle Near's 1884. They have the other bottle. I don't really know the difference. So this guy taught a young Jack Daniels how to distill liquor, and that's how Jack Daniels came to be. He was a black guy. I would like everyone to be successful. If you work hard, no matter who you are, I feel like you should be successful. If you're doing what you have to do. But I am black, so I tried this already. I'm gonna try it again. And I owe you guys a reaction. I really, really wanted to like this. I really wanted to like this. It's not that bad as a shot. It's a lot of heat coming off of it. It's you can taste some of the different flavors. My problem is, it has, it's a award-winning premium. It's 46.5, so you're probably gonna get drunk. It has some metals behind it. I was hoping that it was gonna be better, right? And maybe it is on ice, or I had to go get some ice. So when I was having it before, it was I felt like that was smoother than I've had it before. When I was having it before, I felt like it was kind of burning, going down, and I was really disappointed in it. That's on ice. I was disappointed in it, and when I was having those drinks, I said I would not buy it again. That's just my opinion. I wanted to like it. I said I wasn't going to buy it again, and although this shot went down smoother, I am probably not going to buy it again. It is chill. It's better. Don't take it neat. It's better on the rocks. Way better on the rocks. So if you're going to buy that, I recommend drinking it on the rocks. Remember though, do not freeze your liquors, especially like liquors that you want to bring out the flavors. Freezing your liquors, not freezing. Putting your liquors in the freezer takes away the flavor. So if you want to enjoy the flavor, do not put it in the freezer. But, if you want to buy it just because, go buy it. But it's a no for me.